Hi, this is John with WTI, and if you're looking for some great earbuds for you to have in your everyday commute, to go to the gym, or just to listen to some great music, these TOZO's NC9s are a great option for you. So I was looking for some earbuds in the market that will help me, that I can use in my everyday commute, go to the gym, and start moving around because I'm an active guy. So I found these earbuds that were lightweight, that were not that heavy, and then I can move over without the earbuds falling off. My ear shapes are a bit funny. Let's talk about that later. But these TOZO NC9s are really good because of the noise quality, the noise isolation. They have a large battery that it will turn and last for a whole week. I could go even a week without charging these guys on. So as you can see, they're easy to go in. The case is not as big. If you can compare it to a wallet, look how big that is. And the earbuds themselves, if I can compare it to a quarter or a coin, you can see they're not as big. They're not chunky at all, and you can always wear them. So this was John with WTI with the NC9s, and that's my point of view.